Hello students, how are you? I hope you will be safe at the home in lockdown. So students, today I will start our classes. Today I will teach you ABS. Okay, without further any delay, let's this started now. Students, today I will going to teach chapter 2nd. Chapter 2nd is our sense and body parts. It means that we can see, touch, smell, hearing, etc. by your sense organs in our body. Students, now look in book. Our body has many parts. Each part has an important role to play. It means that there are different kind of part in our body. Every part play an important role. Our body consists of a group of organs which work together to form a system. Therefore, our body is like a living machine. It means that our body made by a system. It means our body made by a group of organs which work together to form a system. Therefore, our body acts as a living machine. Means our body acts as a living machine. Now students, I will see our sense. How many type of our sense in our body? We will see here sense organs. Students, here given there are 5 sense organs in our body which help us to see, hear, smell, taste and feel. Students, here given we have 5 sense organs. They are eyes, ears, nose and tongues which are on the face, and skin is the 5th sense organs which is found all over body. Students, in our sense organs, eye is first sense organs. We have 2 eyes which help us to see various things. Students, by the eyes we can see everything such as mountain, river, tree, etc. We can also see different size, shape and colors with the help of eyes. By the help of eyes we can see size, shape and color of other different type of materials. So students, now we will see another our sense organs. Students, do you know an average person blink his eyes about 12 times in a minute? Means our eyes blinks 12 times in 1 minute. So further student, we will see another sense organs, ears. Ears, we have 2 ears which help us to hear various sounds. Student, by the ears we can hear different type of sounds. Our next sense organ is nose. Student, we will see here nose. We have one nose which help us to smell various things. Student, I have only one nose by which we can smell of different kind of things. The smell can be sweet or bitter. Smell will be different types, sweet or bitter. Our nose also help us in breathing. Students, our nose also helps in taking of breathing. Students, our fourth sense organ is tongue. We have a tongue in our mouth. Tongue is present in our mouth. It helps us to taste bitter, sweet, sour and salty things. Students, by the help of tongue we can taste bitter, sweet, sour and salty things. Student, our last means fifth sense organ is skin. Is the Hindi meaning of skin is twacha. Students, now we will see here last sense organ, skin. We have skin which covers our whole body. Means students, our whole body is covered by the skin. Our skin help us to feel soft, hard, cold, smooth and rough things. Students, by the skin we can feel any of things, soft, hard, cold, smooth and rough things. We feel pain when we get injured. Students, by this we will feel hurting of pain. Students, here given some points related to sense organs. Or you have given blank space, here you have filling. First is see the rising sun, means by which we can see the rising sun. It means that we can see with the help of eyes. And second is taste an ice cream. Student, by which we can taste ice cream? We can taste ice cream by the tongue. And listen to music. Student, we can listen the music by the ears. And smell flowers. Students, we will take smell of flower by the nose. Know if a thing is smooth or rough. Students, we can feel by the skin any material is smooth or rough, hard, hot, cold, smooth, soft, rough, etc. So that is our skin. Students, now I will explain sense organs by the help of figures. So students, here given some figures for you. First is our tongue. Here given first sense organ is tongue. Students, you know that by the help of tongue we taste different kind of things like sweet, sour, pungent, bitter. So students, we know the taste of different things like sweet, sour, pungent, bitter with the help of tongues. Students, now our next sense organ is eyes. Students, you know that we can see things around us with the help of eyes. We see the color, mountain, rainbow, etc. etc. Students, our third sense organ is nose. Students, you know that we smell through our nose. The smell of different things, good and bad, like food, flower, medicine, garbage, can only be known with the help of nose. It is the students, by the help of nose we take smell. And our fourth organ sense is skin. Students, you know that we can feel a thing by touching it. This is done with the help of the skin. Let us take some example to understand. such as hot, cold, smooth, rough, soft, hard. Students, you know that ice cream is cold and tea is hot. Students, it is know by the help of skin. Students, our next and last sense organ is ear. Student, ear is the most important part of our body. It is an important role play in our daily routines. Students, we have two ears. We hear with the ears. It help to hear different sounds around us. Students, now we will see our body parts, means parts of body. There are many external organs in our body which help us to do different works. Some of these are given below. Students, we have different kind of organs in our body, such as head. Head is the head is the uppermost part of our body. It is covered with the hair. It consists of brain. Student, in our head, brain is situated here, and it is the uppermost part of our body. Hands. Students, here we will see about the hands. We have two hands. Our hands help us to hold things, to clap, to write, to eat, etc. Students, by the help of hands, we can do all type of activities such as dancing, holding things, clapping, writing, etc. Students, our next parts of body is legs. Students, we will see about the legs. The Hindi meaning of legs is पैर. Students, we have two legs. Our legs help us to walk, to run, to jump, to kick, etc. Student, by the help of legs, we can walk, run, jump and kick. We also have some internal organs in our body. Some of these are given below. Students, I have some internal organs which is situated in our body. Now let's we see it. Brain. Brain. We have two brain in our head which tells our body what to do. Our brain helps us to think and react. It is protected by a bony frame known as the skull. Students, the work of brain is thinking, and it is tells to us how to do and what to do. And by the help of brain, we can think and react, etc. Students, do you know? Students, do you know? The brain of adult human weighs around 1.5 kg. Students, now we will see about the lungs. The Hindi meaning of lungs is फेफड़ा. We have two lungs in our chest. Students, I have two lungs which is situated in our chest. Our lungs help us to breathe. By the help of lungs, we can breathe. When we breathe in, the air goes into the body through the nostrils and fill up our lungs with the air. Our next students, our next internal parts of body is heart. Student, the Hindi meaning of heart is hriday or dil. Students, now we will see heart. There is only one heart in our body. Students, I have only one heart. We can't live without our heart. Students, life is impossible without our heart. If I have no heart, then life is no possible. Our heart, students, our heart beats all the time and pumps the blood through all parts of our body. Students, you know that our heart pumps the blood to all parts of our body in all times. Students, we will see further stomach. The Hindi meaning of stomach is पेट. Students, we have a stomach in our body. Students, stomach is present in our body. All food that we eat goes into our stomach. It helps us to digest our food. Students, by the help of stomach, we digest our food, different kind of food. Along with these parts, there are also some other parts in our body like elbows, knees, shoulder, etc. Students, now we will see here about the elbows, knees, shoulder, etc. Students, we will see here our shoulder. Students, now we see here shoulders. Our shoulder help us to carry things. Our back help us to stand straight, to bend, to run, and to twist. Students, now we will see here knees, about the knees. Our knees help us to bend, squat, and kneel. Students, you have given the some picture for the known about the shoulders, back, knees, etc. Student, to keep our body fit and healthy, we should exercise in the morning. Students, if we want to be fit and healthy, then we have to need exercise in the morning. Students, here given some points, so keep in your mind. Now students, chapter 2 is finished. Thank you so much everyone.